Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. My eyebrows are a little funny. What else is funny? That today is my 3-year anniversary of being on YouTube and making videos, and I've made over 1,000 videos in 3 years. That's wild. So happy anniversary to me, and happy birthday to Celestial Rogue, one of my loyal live stream people. It is her birthday today also. It is August 1st, and today I'm doing a get ready, well, not really a get ready with me, but we're going to be looking at Lily, the new palette from Klarity Kosmetics, and it's gorgeous. And I'm tongue-tied, and we're doing a giveaway. Look how beautiful this is. Look how gorgeous. This right here is the shit. That is the deal. I can't wait to put that on my eyeballs. But today I'm going to be doing a 3 palette giveaway. What 3 palettes? First, I'm going to be giving away the Iconic Beauty Hollywood palette. And it has many beautiful colors. Then I'm going to be giving away the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. I'm not going to unwrap it because it's packed in with really good things and it's very secure, and I don't want to disrupt the palette from being secure. And then the Limeade palette from Violet Voss, and it says Sparkling Cherry Limeade. So for each year of my broadcasting on YouTube, I'm giving away a palette. So that's pretty cool. So during the body of this video, I will tell you what the phrase you need to use to enter. Besides, you have to put enter me. You have to be 18 or older. You need to have a US mailing address. YouTube and the manufacturers of those cosmetics have nothing to do with this giveaway. This is all me. I've purchased these palettes or gotten them in subscription boxes. Anyhow, I've paid for them, so it is just a gift from me to you. Once the winner is announced, you will have 48 hours to get in touch with me to claim your prize. If that doesn't happen, then we will do a redrawing. You need to be subscribed to me. So if you're not subscribed to me, please subscribe to me. I'm real close to having 1,650 subscribers, so that would be very cool to have that. So, and I'll have more rules down below. So let's get going with this Lily palette from Klarity Kosmetics, and then sometime in the middle of this interesting video with this beautiful look, we will be giving away the magic phrase to put in your comments to win. And you can enter just once. And I use a random comment picker to pick the winner. So would you like to see magic swatches? Yes, you would love to see magic swatches. I have this feeling. Bam. Look at this. Look at the shift on that. It goes from green to a beautiful wine color. Look at these. It's so beautiful. The formula that Klarity Kosmetics uses is just gorgeous, and I've never had a bad palette from them. And this just came out, so it is fresh, hot off the presses. I just got it at the end of last week. And let's make a look with this palette. I'm going to try to make something kind of subtle, which, you know, sometimes that's not my strong suit. Because I'm going to be going to court with a friend of mine this morning who has, you know, court schmort. I just don't want to look like a teenage daydream in the middle of the courthouse. I'm already wearing my wild, you know, leopard shirt, so let's see what I can handle. I'm going to start the look off with Tiger Lily, this beautiful shimmer in my crease. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And it just goes on, and it's so buttery. And that's just beautiful. And it just picks up so easily on the brush. And it's a beautiful shimmer. My baby don't mess around because he loves me so. My voice is kind of going out. I didn't sleep well last night, so, you know, things happen. Like, voices go out. I'm going to go into the crease with, that first color was Tiger Lily, and then I'm going to go in with Best Buds, this color right here, which is a matte. It's so pretty. I might have to change into a plain black top because this look is going to be off the chain. It's already so colorful. But I love it. It's so pretty. And it's already looking great so quickly. I've got to go into You Grow Girl, this multi chrome. I've got to put that on my lid. And it shifts from like a pink to a green. Oh, I accidentally got it on my face. That's not too bad. It doesn't show the shift as nicely as it does in person. Let me use this finger. It just looks weird and muddy in the camera, but it's really beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I'm going to put some, look how weird it looks in the camera. Because like some of it's green and some of it's like a pretty pink. I'm going to put some liner and mascara on, and before I do that, I'm going to tell you the phrase. Please tell me what your favorite ice cream is in the middle of your comment. So enter me and what your favorite ice cream is. So now I'm going to do lashes and mascara. Oh, mascara and eyeliner is early, and I will be right back. And voila, we have mascara and eyeliner on, which was no little feat because the duochrome is so foiled and shimmery, it was hard to even get the eyeliner on. So that's pretty crazy. And we're going to do, I guess, a neutral lip with Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink number 65 Seductress, so we don't take away from this beautiful eye look. And I'm going to change my shirt because it's just too much with this makeup. This makeup's too much for the shirt. And there we have it, a beautiful look with a gorgeous palette from Klarity Kosmetics. It is the Lily palette, and I totally think that you should check them out. They have so many palettes that are so beautiful. I think you would find one that you would like. Have a great day, or day of your choice. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell and like the video, and we'll see you real soon.